Cryptocurrency wallets are essential tools for securely managing and storing digital assets, offering users control over their investments. Let's delve into 5 of the most popular crypto mobile wallets worldwide, highlighting their unique features, ownership, user base, and any surprising facts associated with them. Number 1. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is a non-custodial wallet developed by Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. It supports thousands of cryptocurrencies and tokens, allowing users to manage their assets and access decentralized applications, dApps, seamlessly. One notable aspect is that while many associate Coinbase with its centralized exchange, the Coinbase wallet operates independently, giving users full control over their private keys. This distinction emphasizes the wallet's commitment to decentralization. How to create a Coinbase wallet. 1. Download the app. Visit the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and search for Coinbase Wallet. Ensure it's the official app by verifying the developer's name. 2. Install and open. After downloading, install and open the app. 3. Create a new wallet. Tap on Create a new wallet. 4. Accept terms. Review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. 5. Set username. Choose a unique username. This allows other Coinbase wallet users to find and send you payments. 6. Set security preferences. Choose your preferred security method such as biometrics or a passcode. Biometric authentication is recommended for enhanced security. 7. Backup recovery phrase. The app will present a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down and store it securely offline. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Number 2. MetaMask. MetaMask is a free, open-source wallet primarily designed for the Ethereum blockchain. It supports over 650,000 assets, including Ethereum-based tokens and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. MetaMask's integration with various decentralized finance, DeFi applications has made it a favorite among crypto enthusiasts. A surprising fact about MetaMask is its vast asset support with the option to manually add unsupported ERC20 assets, showcasing its adaptability and extensive reach. How to create a MetaMask wallet. 1. Download the app. Search for MetaMask in the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official app. 2. Install and open. Once installed, open the app. 3. Get started. Tap Get Started on the welcome screen. 4. Create a new wallet. Select Create a new wallet. 5. Agree to terms. Review and agree to the terms of use. 6. Create password. Set a strong password for your wallet. 7. Backup secret recovery phrase. The app will display a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write it down and store it securely offline. This phrase is essential for wallet recovery. 8. Confirm recovery phrase. To ensure you've backed it up correctly, confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Number 3. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is the official wallet of Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. It supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. Trust Wallet's built-in decentralized exchange, DEX, and browser for dApps make it a versatile choice for users. Interestingly, Trust Wallet supports over 100 blockchains, making it one of the most versatile wallets available. How to create a Trust Wallet. 1. Download the app. Find Trust Wallet in your device's App Store and download it. 2. Install and open. After installation, open the app. 3. Create a new wallet. Tap on Create a new wallet. 4. Accept terms. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. 5. Backup recovery phrase. The app will provide a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down and keep it in a secure place offline. 6. Confirm recovery phrase. Verify your recovery phrase by number 4. Exodus Wallet. Exodus is a beginner-friendly cryptocurrency wallet available on desktop and mobile platforms. It supports more than 250 crypto assets and features an inbuilt exchange, allowing users to trade cryptocurrencies without leaving the wallet's interface. A notable aspect of Exodus is its closed-source software nature, meaning its code isn't publicly accessible, which has sparked discussions about transparency within the crypto community. How to create an Exodus wallet. Download the app. Search for Exodus in your device's app store and download the official app. Install and open. Once installed, open the app. Create wallet. The wallet is created automatically upon opening the app. Backup recovery phrase. Navigate to the backup section to view your 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down and store it securely offline. Set password. Set a strong password to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. Number 5. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet is designed for users interested in decentralized finance. It offers advanced security measures, supports multiple blockchain networks, and provides opportunities for staking and yield farming, allowing users to earn passive income. An interesting fact about this wallet is its seamless integration with the broader Crypto.com ecosystem, enabling users to manage their DeFi assets alongside other Crypto.com services efficiently. How to create a Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Setting up your Crypto.com DeFi wallet is simple. Start by downloading the Crypto.com DeFi wallet from your app store. Once installed, open the app and select Create a new wallet. You'll be prompted to create a secure passcode, after which the app will display your unique 12-word recovery phrase. Carefully write down this recovery phrase and store it in a safe offline location, as it's crucial for recovering your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. After confirming your recovery phrase, your wallet setup is complete, allowing you immediate access to DeFi features like staking, NFTs, and decentralized exchanges. Before you start using any cryptocurrency wallet, always take essential precautions. Never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. Store your recovery phrases offline in a secure location, never digitally or online, to avoid theft or hacking. Regularly update your wallet apps to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Always double-check the wallet address when sending or receiving cryptocurrencies to avoid mistakes or scams. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more informative crypto content and updates. Stay safe, secure your assets, and happy investing.